This is the Cielo, one of the crown jewels of Harbour. With its exclusive West Hastings address, we are literally steps to Harbour Green Park, the seawall, floatplanes, and some of Vancouver's most luxurious shopping.
Hey guys, and welcome to Unit 1803, the most coveted floor plan in the whole building, and it's easy to see why. At over 1,400 square feet, this two-bedroom suite offers the essence of luxury living in Harbour. I mean, just look at this view.
With its world-class location, exceptional facilities, and these forever ocean views, living at the Cielo is to live a life of style and substance.
Make sure you guys visit thevancouverlife.com and book your private showing today.